Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna make spinning tops. Now what you're gonna need is a washer with a fairly big hole in it, a bead that is just a little bit bigger than that hole, permanent markers, and some super sticky glue. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your glue and you are going to put it on the bead and then stick the washer on. And then you're gonna set it aside to let it dry for a while. I'm gonna do a couple of them because why not? All right, my spinning tops have been drying for a couple of hours, so now it's time to decorate them. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna use my markers, and now I can draw on the washer whatever I want. Just gonna make a really fun design on it. Okay, now that I've decorated them all, it's time to test them out. Are they gonna spin? So take yours and give it a spin. This is such a fun activity to do. If you want to do more fun activities, check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.